Well, it's been a debate in Minnesota for years whether to enact a red flag law. The Democratic-controlled legislature passed a bill last session, and it took effect on January 1st. Governor Walz discussing that new law today and what it means for Minnesotans. Fox 9's Rob Olson was there and joins us now with more on that. Rob?
Yeah, and the Lieutenant Governor Peggy Flanagan today noting that there's been a number of these news conferences highlighting new laws in Minnesota, but she feels this may be the most important one because she feels this one will do the most to save lives, much of it through suicide prevention. But she also noted it's another tool in the toolbox to fight domestic violence.
If this law saves just one life, it is a success.
Minnesota leaders and legislators recognize that any new gun law stirs up debate, but they insist what is now in effect in Minnesota should not be controversial.
None of these things infringe upon your constitutional rights to safe usage of firearms. What they do is they save lives and they make our cities and our homes a little bit safer.
Minnesota's new extreme risk protection order law, commonly known as the red flag law, requires a request from law enforcement, a prosecutor, or family or guardian. There are two types of orders. The emergency order is issued by a judge and is immediate and lasts 14 days. Long-term orders last 6 months to a year and only after a court hearing that involves the gun owner. Guns must be surrendered within 24 hours.
Obviously, people can voluntarily turn them in, and obviously that's what we would prefer. But if we have to execute search warrants, that's something that we'll have to do.
Most of the data so far from other states with similar gun laws focuses on suicide prevention, and studies do show clear drops in suicide rates. They correlate to the laws. Data on mass shooting prevention and other gun violence is less clear, but advocates believe it will save lives.
Like the vast majority of gun owners, I know that we can protect the Second Amendment and we can take common sense measures to protect our loved ones.
Yeah, that's Pastor Rob Olson, whose daughter was killed in 2007 when she responded to a Craigslist ad. He's been a pretty tireless advocate for this type of law to take effect. Now, there'll be some data being tracked by the courts and by the Department of Public Safety, and all involved here say they'll be very, very interested as this goes along to take a look at that data, what they can learn from it about the effectiveness of what it prevents and maybe what shortcomings it still has here. But again, a lot of people are going to be looking at this, how it's implemented and what results it may yield. Live at the state capitol, Rob Olson, Fox 9.